What's up, everyone? I am Jamie with Three Little Goats Homestead, and today we are going on a road trip. Now, we don't need the cattle trailer today, but we may or may not be picking up something new for the homestead. So this year we added turkeys to the homestead. We've never raised turkeys before, so it's been an experience. And so far, all 10 that we ordered are thriving and living their best life. But there's one more thing we want to add. And we've had this animal in the past. If you've been around for a really long time, you'll know exactly what it is. But we got rid of them because they were just too much work. But now we are getting them again. So let's get on the road so we can get some new animals. Yeah, are you excited about this animal?
Beefalo? Yeah.
Beefalo? Yes, we are definitely not getting beefalo. We would need the trailer for that. Getting some sheeps. If you've been around our channel for a while, we actually used to have sheep. We had baby doll sheep. But these guys are Dorper Katahdins. I can't. Words? Katahdin?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Something like that.
Crosses. So they are hair sheep. And they're going to be our new grass cutters. So we have got Blanche, Rose, Dorothy, and Sophia. But now we're going to get these guys moved. We're going to actually put them in with the baby goats for now, so we can start training them all to the hot wire in the next few days. But right now we got to get them moved. So like I said, we had sheep at one time. We had baby dolls, and I absolutely loved having sheep, but the problem was in our area there was nobody to shear the sheep, so we had to shear them ourselves. And with Jesse's bad back, it took us all day to do it, and we decided it was not for us. So when we decided to get sheep again, we decided to go with hair sheep. So that's why we got these guys. I have a friend that's fairly local to us that has a giant flock of sheep. I will link their Facebook page down below if you're interested in getting any sheep. But these guys were strictly grass fed, so they are going to be our lawnmowers. Because if you didn't know, goats are more browsers. They like to eat from the shoulders up.
And fingers.
And then sheep are grazers. They like to eat from the shoulders down. So the sheep will be able to put in places that we can't put the goats, like around the new orchard that we put in, because they're not going to push over the trees to try to strip them. They'll just eat the grass around them. I'll say the girls do enjoy a good storm though, because we get all the tree limbs falling, so they get extra snacks. What are you doing, Tex? So we'll actually leave, and then Biscuits, who thinks she's a goat. We plan on leaving all of the new lambs in with the baby goats for now, and we'll actually put some hot wire, our hot wire netting that we have from Premier One will go up so we can start training everybody. And then the 4 girls that we have left, this little girl, this girl, this girl, and this girl will actually be going to the new homes here in a few weeks when their new owner gets into town. But for now, they're hanging out with us, which I don't mind one bit. Huh, girls? Hi, girls. You guys are getting so big. By putting the sheep over in this little paddock, it gives Gravy some time to get used to them. She's never been around sheep, so this way she can get the sense of them, the smell of them, but she can't get to them. What are you doing, Lola? What are you doing, Tex? So we're gonna let these guys kind of get acclimated to their areas. We'll come and check on them in a little while. Hopefully we don't get any more rain for today. I can't ever film a video in just one day and finish it in one day. I'll set the camera down and completely forget about it. Welcome to the world of ADHD. So I figure we'll go and check on all the nuggets. Jesse's over here working hard, filling waters, because it's been hot the last few days and the animals have been going through water like crazy. But no one's here for that. They're here for the lambs. So let's go check them out. All right, so if you can't tell the difference between sheep and goat, the goats are very loud. The sheepies, not so much. We have one sheep that we got that was a bottle baby. So we have one little girl that is super duper friendly. The other ones are just a little bit indifferent of people, which is fine. I don't need them to be in my pocket all the time. It's kind of nice not to deal with this constantly when trying to get chores done. But oh my goodness, you're so stinking cute. On a side note though, I need to get out here and pick some plantain because it is growing like crazy out here, and I am almost out in the soap studio. So these sheep, like I mentioned before, are going to hang out in here in the kidding stalls for a little while, and then this week sometime we're going to put up an electric netting along the fence line. And the reason we do that to train them is instinctually when an animal goes up to the hot wire and touches it, they want to run through it. And that's why a lot of smaller sheep and goats will get caught in the netting and inevitably die, because they're trying to run through it and they get tangled because they don't see anything that can stop them on the other side. So we put the hot wire or the netting along the existing fence. That way, when they do touch it, they can see they can't go forward, they have to go backwards. So that'll train them to get used to going backwards. Hopefully after the first few times of getting shocked with it, they just won't go near it, because that's how most of our goats are now. They don't even go near any of the hot wire when it is up, which is what we like. And now obviously these sheep have plenty to eat in this area. There's some things that they're not going to eat, which is fine once we get them moved out of here and all of these guys go to their new homes. Jesse will come in here and he will cut this all back, but for now it is fine and they've got plenty to eat, because the sheep, they don't eat any type of ration, no grain, no alfalfa, nothing. They are strictly on grass, and in the wintertime they will get strictly hay as needed. So, ow, why are you biting me? Is this where the term ankle biters comes from? I think it is. Stop chewing on my pants, ladies. So I do have an old video going over sheep versus goats and which one is better. I mean, it really is simply up to personal preference. I have a cow headbutting me right now, but I will link that if you want to check that out. But it really does come to what you need them for and your personal preference. So we love our goats. We will always have goats. We'll always have a gravy. Oh, gravy. She's hanging out down here as well. But the sheep will have a job of eating grass, obviously, but their job will be in different locations than the goats. But since I am literally being chewed on by every species I own, hold on. Excuse me, Tex, could we not eat my pants? Oh, hi, Rogue. Oh, you're taking care of my shirt for me. Cool. Because clothes aren't expensive. Oh, you just wanted some scratches. Okay. There you go. You just get some scratchies. There you go, buddy. So I'm going to go ahead and end this video before the animals all destroy every piece of clothing I am wearing. So if you like this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. We put out new videos every single week. And of course, we have sheep, goats, pigs, rabbits, cows, all of the animals here on our homestead. And we'll probably be moving the turkeys to the Thunderdome here in a few days as well. So be sure to subscribe for all of that. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.